Alright, so this is my buffer. First is Twitter, then LinkedIn. So I already pre-typed my tweets. I said next week my group will be working on our project for social media, then put the hashtag SMEngage that we use in class. Then next tweet I'm going to do is I can't wait to work on my project for body studies. Throw that hashtag up in there and submit that. Head over to LinkedIn where I have 2 articles available. The first one is just about Solange and her new album, how Huffington Post feels about that. So I'm going to paste that first and then put love this album. Let's see. And then I'm going to go ahead and end it off with our hashtag SMEngage and submit that. And our very last article that I have is how Hurricane Matthew nearly killed 300 people over in Haiti. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that and put wow, it is crazy, and end that off with our hashtag. And then that is my buffer. Hope you enjoyed it.